y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Amy, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my grocery haul. I just got back from Kroger, and I always do the click list. I know I've shared with you guys in previous orders. I used to do Walmart pickup. Now I've switched over to Kroger, and I love it. It's a little bit closer for me than Walmart. And I just ordered my groceries this morning and then picked them up around 2:30 today. So I'm going to show you guys what I got and how much I spent on everything as well. We have a family of 4. I have 2 kids, Kason and Gracie June. They're 7 and 5. And then my husband and I. And I decided to just shop for this week because next week my kids start back school. So I shopped for today, which is Tuesday, through next Monday. And then I'll do another grocery pickup next Tuesday. And I usually do 2 weeks at a time. But since they were starting school next week, I kind of have been scatterbrained, and I just decided just to do this week, and then I'll share with you guys what we're eating for the week as well. If you like these types of videos, make sure to give it a thumbs up by clicking the little thumbs up button below, and that lets me know that you like these types of videos and you want to see more like this. And also, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, I normally meal plan for the entire month, and I share with you guys my meal plans. And so I'm thinking this month I'm going to do a little bit more of weekly meal planning. I'm going to do my whole monthly meal plan, and I'll post a picture on Instagram if you want to follow me over there. And then I'm going to try to do more of a grocery haul / weekly meal plan, or maybe even do the 2 weeks, because usually I do shop for 2 weeks at a time and show you what I'm eating for 2 weeks at a time, our meal plans that way, and our grocery hauls. Alright, so what we're eating this week is, tonight is Tuesday, and so we always do tacos on Tuesday, and so we're doing ground beef tacos tonight. We're all gonna eat that. Tomorrow night is Wednesday, and we will be doing honey sriracha meatballs, and I'm gonna do that in the crock pot, and I'm gonna kind of do a spin off of one of the recipes that I've already showed you guys on Pinterest. And then on Thursday, we're going to be doing a Brertoli meal, and so all I have to do is literally cook that on the stove. It's super easy. And then Friday, we have a Friday night social in our neighborhood, so we're all bringing just different dishes to share. So I'm just gonna do buffalo chicken dip and bring some tortilla chips to go with that. Saturday, we are going to be doing super easy hot dogs and chips. And then on Sunday, we're gonna do barbecue chicken in the crock pot, and then do just like a pasta side and probably some vegetables with that. And then I did shop through Monday. So on Monday, we're gonna do chicken parmesan, and it'll be just a super easy recipe for the first day of school. All right, now I'm just going to show you guys the groceries that we picked up and tell you how much we spent. So these are all the groceries that we got. And that is for a whole week's worth of food and probably a little bit more. And the total that we spent was $112.53, and that included the grocery service pickup fee of $4.99. All right, so we got some whole wheat Nature's Own bread, and then some Simple Truth eggs. I got 4 Lunchables. I wanted to make sure that we had some for possibly lunches on Monday, and then maybe one day this week. Some Kroger brand cheddar cheese. Some French Vanilla International Delight coffee creamer. And then this is the Brertoli meal that I was telling you guys I got for one night. And it's the chicken Florentine, and this one is so good. Next, we got some cream cheese, and I just got the Kroger brand sour cream, and I got the 16 ounce of that. I got some boneless, skinless chicken breast, some fat-free milk, and I just got the Kroger brand there. I got a pound of ground beef for our tacos tonight. A pack of strawberries, and they were 2 for $4 today, so they were on sale. I got 5 bananas, some turkey meat for lunches, hot dogs for Sunday's dinner or Saturday's dinner, And then my kids are funny, so I got green beans and I got sweet peas because Gracie June will eat sweet peas and Kason will eat the green beans. I got some Italian style breadcrumbs. This is for our chicken parmesan. Some blueberry muffins for breakfast on Monday. I got 2 bags of Tostitos scoops. Some vegetable oil. Soy sauce. We got some flour tortillas for our dinner tonight. Easy Mac. That's always a fun choice in our house. We got 3 cans of tuna. I've been eating tuna a lot for lunch lately. Some Kroger brand hot dog buns. Peanut butter. Jelly. My husband's been eating that for lunch a lot. We got 2 packs of the Roaring Waters, the Capri Suns. And then I got 2 packs of these little gummies, fruit snacks. 2 packs of the granola bars, the chewy granola bars, and we get the peanut butter chocolate chip. And then pastaroni, and they actually substituted this one with fettuccine alfredo because they were out of the Parmesan cheese angel hair pasta that we like. I got some marinara, and that is for our chicken parmesan as well. 2 packs of Diet Dr. Pepper, and they were actually, I think, 3 for $10. I can't remember. It was either 3 or 4 for $10, and I just got 2 packs. And then a 20 pack of mixed Frito-Lay chips, and I got our favorites that we like to eat. Alright guys, so that's it for this grocery haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one.